Hello friends, this is TechLanders and I'm back with an amazing video. If you haven't subscribed us yet, hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, hit the like button as well. In today's video, I'll be talking about pendrive and the problem with the pendrive. I think that most of the viewers who are watching this video right now have at least once faced this problem that their pendrive have gone to a raw format, which is alien on earth, and any data that is present on that pen drive is not accessible till that raw format is present on that pen drive. So in today's video I'll be showing that if this situation has happened with you, then what you should do to recover your pen drive, not the data but your pen drive at least, so that you can use it further. So I have a pen drive plugged in here. I'll be showing it to you all. This is the pen drive, and it has some data. So what I'll do is that I'll make this pen drive inaccessible or unusable in front of you. So what I'll do is I'll format it uh, by the long format method, start and then cancel it, so that the data or the pen drive becomes inaccessible. Why I'm pronouncing it wrong, I can't understand. So yes, I cancelled it. So since the format procedure is stopped in between, so what happens is that this pen drive is no longer accessible, and it turns into raw format. Raw format is like corrupted format, or you can't do anything, can't modify the pen drive or the data in it. So now what you have to do here is, you have to, if you want to get this back to its normal state, what you have to do is you have to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, what you have to type first is diskpart. Now you might be thinking, what is this DISKPART? But this DISKPART is an application which is used to perform some operations on the storage devices that are present on your laptop or connected to it. So yes, I'll be allowing it. Yes, so this is a DISKPART window. Now what we have to do is, first we have to type list disk. So list disk command will show the storage devices that are currently online on this device. So disk 0 is the main hard drive of this laptop, whereas disk 1 is the pen drive, which is now in raw format or it is inaccessible. So we have to recover this disk 1. So what we'll do is type select disk 1. Yes, now the it shows that disk 1 is now selected. So now whatever operations will perform will be performed on disk 1. So now I'll be typing clean. So what will happen is that it will completely format, or basically it will remove the partitioning of that device. So we'll be pressing enter after clean. So yes, the device will be cleaned after this. The next command will be create partition primary. So yes, after this, the main primary partition on will be created on that device. Now we have to type format. So here we have to write format fs equals to fat32 quick. Now I'll tell about this line. What this line will do is that format the device into a fat32 format. Like we have different file systems like fat32, ext4, ntfs. The storages on windows use ntfs, whereas on linux system use ext4. So I am converting this storage into fat32 type. You can do it, you can convert it to any type you want. After that, the quick command will format the device, but like quick format, uh, just like we tried to format the device. So I untick that quick. Otherwise the format will be in a quick procedure. So as of now we'll be formatting it in the quick format. So yes, we have to click enter. So yes, DISKPART successfully formatted the volume. So yes, the procedure is now completed, and let us check what happened to the USB pen drive, which was inaccessible a few moments ago. Yes, see now the pen drive is available and any data can be stored on it. Uh, so this was the video and I have showed you. I tried to solve your problem. If you like this video, please hit the like button. In the comment section, I have also posted some of the pen drives, the best pen drives that you could get at the budget price, as well as for good performance. I have mentioned the details below. If you want to help the channel, so please buy the products from the links below. Thank you. Jai Hind.